And here is three category. First of all, domain trade, second is domain auction, and third is promotion options. Hello dear guys, you are welcome. There are many plans on Shadow to auction a domain, to park a domain, and there are many plans by which you list your domains. For example, if you like to auction, if you can choose the MLS premium, you can choose a domain for buy and make an offer. But on which plan you should go, here in detail we will discuss about, and for detail let me use my PC. Be stay with me. In description for sign up link is given, and after that you need to go for add domains, and here you will see the features that is provided by Shadow. And in dashboard you need to go on sell domains, and here is three category. First of all, domain trade, second is domain auction, and third is promotion options. How these options, how these features are different to each others, let's go in detail. First of all, what is domain trade? Click it on and you will find how domain trade is in function, how you can take the benefit of domain trade. Start selling domain now, and here the feature you can see there are two category. Faster sales with buy now prices. If you are going to list your domain on Shadow, then you need to choose only buy now, and negotiate individual domain price is the option where you choose a make an offer or buy now. And how these different, list domain is free in the both options, but commission fee start at 10%, and if domain is successfully sold. And in other hand, if you choose the options of negotiate individual domain price, where you give the option of make offer, then you will be charged 15% as a commission after successfully if your domain is sold. And second option we are going to discuss, that is domain auction. How the domain auction different from domain trade, that is a second category which are we talking domain auctions. Start direct auction. If you are like to your list your domain on direct auction, then you can choose here the options, and here the benefit and features, how are these different from other, you can see. Start in auctions whenever you want, and auctions domains with a guaranteed sale. Here two subcategory also, and how the difference to each other you can see on the screen. 10 domains at any desired time. Start auctions for up to flexibility and maximum explorers, free transfer. All these are the benefit of, but here is the difference of a fee that is charged. Start in auctions beginning at just 59 US dollar, and a mere 15% commission on the final sales price. And in other hand, no initial fees and 15% on the final sales price. That is a different to each other. One category is start an auction whenever you want, and second is domain auctions domain with a guaranteed sale. So we have till discussed about two kind of category, and third that is we are going to discuss, that is first of all we need to add domains, and again we need to go for sell domains, and here the promotions options, that is a important and most features options on Shadow, that is you can choose. And what you will find if you choose Shadow show course, and here you can find the subcategory also. Here two type of top placement for your domain, and second is your domain as a category highlight. What the difference between top placement and category highlight, you can see on the screen. First of all, you need to understand how different each other. Reach more than 10,000 potential buyer every day when if you choose top placement of your domain, and if you choose category, then targeted sales promotions, your domain offering as a top hit in the search result in a category of your choice. For example, if your domain is related to auto market, car related, then your in category Shadow will provide on priority base to display your domain in dashboard. And if we talk about the top placement, 30 days ends automatically, and the difference is of charges starting just 39 US dollar per month if you choose top placement, and if you go for category then you will charge 9 US dollar per month, means 0.30 per day. So these are the difference between the each category, and each features are provided by the Shadow. Hope after this video you will find the all doubts clear, and how you can list your domain in different features in different plans. And if you like such a kind of information, please subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And for more information, be stay with me. Have a nice day.